Sheridan here, back with another video. And this is a weekend in my life, I guess that's what you could call it. So it currently is snowing. It's been snowing. This is a fact that we all know here, but I've never been sledding. So of course I'm from Texas, from the south, and Texas is obviously getting a lot of snow right now, but it usually does not snow in Texas. So I'm definitely not used to all of this. Even though I've been in New York for 3 years, this is literally the worst that it's ever been. But me and my roommate just decided, hey, let's go snow sledding, and that's what we're gonna do. So come along with me.
We are going sledding. Hey,
no, we need to look for, oh, what is this?
What? Oh. Yeah, we're looking for some kind of plastic thing to be a sled.
It's broken.
Oh. But you might steal a trash can lid. That's looking like the move here. Keep you updated.
At this point, I might just take someone and then just bring it back when it's done.
We'll keep you updated. Wait. Oh.
Y'all, I'm so embarrassed. All these children have legit sleds out, and look what I got. They all have legit sleds. They all got real ones. Look at that. Woo!
He's trying. There you try like,
oh my god. Whoa. How are you doing that?
just let go.
My motto of this year.
From top to bottom.
Oh, he's so cute. Hi. Oh my god. Oh, okay, you're wet though. He's so cute. Oh. Oh. He has a lot of energy. Oh. Stu. He's so cute. Oh. Wait, that looks scary. That looks scary. Oh. I don't know about this, y'all. Do you see what my sled looks like?
How about I go down it first?
Yeah, you can test it out first. I don't think I could do that. Yo, you know how I know this is a sketchy idea?
What?
I don't see any black people doing this.
Yeah.
What you got me doing over here, Dax?
I'm sorry.
That didn't look too bad.
Oh, it's your sled over there.
Y'all, mark my words. One day, I'm gonna live in one of these brownstones. Look how beautiful they are. This is a great time to ask everyone to subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button so you never miss a video. And who knows, maybe one day, if we work hard enough, I could live in one of these brownstones because they're absolutely beautiful. Yeah.
Hey everyone, so I've seen a few desks. This is the cutest one.
Yes,
right now.
update us.
Yeah, so what I'm looking for in a desk is to have 2 levels. So I can put decor and then work. I would also like some storage space. So you can see this house. And then let's examine the chair.
Yes.
Nice big butt area.
If you get the other one too, it would match the same like material as well.
Oh, I love that. So we'll take you back at some point to see the chair that would match this perfectly.
Exactly.
So Sheridan is now trying the magic chair.
It is shared and approved.
Sheridan approved.
Oh.
That's a good part.
So you guys, after what, how long? It was like 2 hours of shopping. They didn't have the desk or the chair she wanted. So we literally left with nothing.
We left with pickled chips. And what kind of chips did you get? And hot sauce and peri peri hot sauce.
And I got jalapeno chips. But it's been a long day, so we're eating right now. I got a burger and you got bulgogi beef.
Bulgogi beef.
So overall, still a good day. Not what we planned, but still good.
Not productive, but good.
Yeah, still good.
So just to explain this clip, because it goes from 0 to 100, like real quick, only one person in our apartment has a real big girl job. So the 3 of us literally sit on the couch like puppies and wait for her to come home every day because she brings us snacks. But today she only had 1 cookie. So she literally made us fight over it. So we're playing who can name that song the fastest so we can win a cookie. And yeah, resume.
Go.
Journey.
Oh my god!
Don't stop believing. Yeah! I was like, that was painful. You're like, wow. Journey. Guys, for a game we thought was going to cherry, we're even across the board. Let's go. We all got 1 point.
Represent, baby.
Okay. What does that have to do with anything?
Okay, next song.
Oh my You're like umbrella. I'm like, what?
Oh, I didn't get that one bit.
You're like umbrella.
Wait, how does umbrella go?
Umbrella starts with Jay-Z singing, like rapping.
But what was?
That was Empire State of Mind.
How did you guess that so
Jay-Z.
quick?
Because the beat.
Oh, I'm embarrassed. What? Does it find this song somewhere?
I don't think so.
It's the thought that counts.
Wow, I was so like, all right.
Umbrella.
Okay, so she got 1, she got 2, I got 5.
I got 2.
But guess who's number 1?
Me too.
Me.
bitch.
Hey. Ugh.
Oh my god, driver's license.
Yeah!
Good.
Damn. Okay, Gen Z.
What did you say?
Suburbs.
Hey, soul sister.
Whoa! I would have gotten it eventually.
Is the name Hey Soul Sister?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Your lipstick stains
On
Facebook kind of. You're both singing it.
I initiated it.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know the name at all. Ask for the words.
One more. One more.
Wait,
One more. One more.
So don't ever do this to people. Anyway.
So it's my butt look big. Bust it.
Bust it. Oh,
I'm like, is this
yeah,
the real
I wanna
song
do it.
or like
the fake one?
Bust it?
Oh. She got in like squat position.
I know.
My legs are
That was lame. Who wants the cookie for real though? I just wanted to win. Close out my vlog.
like
I have to
Monica.
close out my vlog.
Oh, you're doing it right now.
Yeah. Yeah. Bye.